Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can cut much faster in Blender. So I'll use this as the cutter, as my cutter. So what I will do, I will hold Shift and I'll select the cutter, and now the thing I want to cut. And now I press on the keyboard Control minus pad. And now what will happen, I will cut this. I just cut. Okay, that's very fast and it's super useful. So if this doesn't work for you, you have to go to Edit Preferences, and here what you have to do is to write something like Bool Tool, and you need to turn on Bool Tool. And here, as you can see, you can this is the hotkey, Control Shift B, or Control and minus numpad, and this will help you to cut through the object. And now if you go here to modifiers, we can apply and this modifier, and you can also move it, but this won't be affected because I already applied the modifier. That's very fast. It's a very fast way to cut through the object, and when I learned this, it really saved me a lot of time. So I hope this video helped you as well, and down the road, in the future, will help you, will save you time as well. Thank you for watching.